Oneplus Nord Ce4 Lite 5G. So in this video we're going to talk about this mobile's price, display, processor and cameras and battery, as well as all the things about this mobile. First of all, this mobile comes with a price tag of 20,999, almost 21,000 rupees for the base variant. Let's start with the display. It comes with a 6.67 inches of AMOLED display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate display. It supports HDR10 plus content also. When we talk about the processor, this mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 or Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 3, which is the latest processor. To speak about the 5G, it comes with a lot of 5G bands. I will list the bands in the description box. You can check it out from there. And when we talk about this mobile's variants, this mobile will be available in mostly three variants: 8GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage variants. If we talk about the camera, it comes with a triple cameras at the back side, 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera and a 8 megapixels of ultra wide and 2 megapixels of third macro camera. For the front, it comes with a typical 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And when we talk about this mobile's battery, this mobile comes with a bigger battery, that is a 5000 milliamp of battery, and it supports 80 watts of fast charge through wire, but there is no wireless or reverse wireless charging features. And this mobile, when we talk about this mobile's operating system, it comes with a Android version 14 out of the box with Oxygen OS 14. And when we talk about this mobile's other features, like it comes with a in-display fingerprint scanner as well as stereo speakers, but no 3.5mm jack, and it is a polycarbonate back build body, and it comes with a, by the way, this model doesn't have any IP68 water and dust resistant features, or it is not a flash proof mobile also, splash proof mobile also. And this mobile comes with comes in different colors. I will also leave the colors in the description box down below. You can also check it out from there. And if you want, oh by the way, if you are watching the video until now, hit the subscribe button and also the like button. That will give me some motivation to make more videos like this. And when we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 and NFC, and this mobile also comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor and accelerometer and compass, everything. And so these are the major features of this mobile. And so that's it for the video. So hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button. By the way, I have also made videos on best mobiles under 30,000 rupees, and I have also made a video on Realme GT6. I will leave a link to that in this iCard section as well as in the description box, so you can directly go and buy it from there. So watch it from there. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.